it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is a little bit delayed due to the fact that it got stuck in America due to a new way of sending international packages. But I thought I'd bring you my February Citrus Twist Kit unboxing. So if you're wanting the most up-to-date boxing, you've probably already seen one. But due to the fact that I do create playlists on my channel for each of my kits, I do like to show you what's in the kit. If you then follow the playlist, you can see what I create with the kit. So therefore I thought I'm still going to do this video for the benefit of anybody that wants to look back and see what sort of different layouts I can create using a kit. So I've got the kit, haven't unboxed it yet, but I thought I'd let you know a couple of the things that I do when I get a kit. So first off, I always print a little label saying Citrus Twist February, and the reason being is I do have all of my kits, well, apart from June, which if you've seen, I recently actually did a kit wipeout video for that kit due to the fact that it had been used to death. And I wasn't really going to get any more layouts out of that particular kit, so I did break that one up. But apart from that, I tend to keep them all in their kit, and then when I'm doing a layout I tend to have a look and see what colour scheme I think might work, and that's the kit I pull out and use. So I like to label them up so I know for my videos. And then I've also got a pouch ready, and that is because once I've done my unboxing and shown the die cuts, I tend to pop them in one of these wallets, which is what I tend to keep all my die cuts in. So let's get into seeing what we have in this gorgeous kit, of which, yet again, for such a small pouch, it seems to be bursting, and I can already see something that I know full well I am going to love. But let's move the packaging out the way for now. And we have 6x8 papers for this month. And oh, they are apart. So yeah, they are single-sided. So we have some lemons. We have some florals. Oh, and lots of florals. So they have little gold touches. Then we have a full sheet of gold. We have some more florals. There's a lot of florals in this one. And as gorgeous as some of them are, I'm going to find this hard. We've got another one with some gold. Yeah, these are extremely busy papers. They're nice, but I'm going to struggle with the busyness, I think, so this will be a nice challenge for me. Then we have, as always, a cut apart sheet, which gives you some lovely labels, and we've also got some little tags with words on for this one. Love those. And then the 4x6 cards, we have this nice pattern with a stripe for a title. And then we have You Are in the Right Place. Then we have a card with little teapots and strawberries and macaroons. And on the other side we've got a nice generic sort of spider web pattern in yellow. And then to go on to the 3x4 cards, we do get one that just comes with the packaging. So it's from Our Door to Yours, Citrus Twist Kits. But you could always use that with a picture and then pop over the top something else. And then we do have a design on the back that can straight be used of the magic of ordinary moments. And then for the actual 3x4 cards, so we've got I Love You, End of Story, and a lovely pattern on the back, so you can see all those colours coming out. We've got Small Steps Every Day, and a good, oh, I like that. I do like that pattern on the back. I do like yellow. This is Calling My Heart. Again, gorgeous. And this is the sign you've been waiting for. I like that one. We've got a nice frame for either a phrase or even a picture. And quoted. We've got You and Me with some hearts and some journaling lines. And we've got Night Out. So date, party of however many, what we did, and notes. We have a nice florally type pattern with some leaves. And, oh, in a nice teal on the back. We have some leaves and some dots. And then we have nice leaves with space for a photo or some journaling. We have here on grey. And then we have a nice two-tone card there. We have Everyday Memories, Today 100%, and Find Calm in the Chaos. We have an ampersand with space for details of a photo. And then we have Read This. And then we have Blank is a Form of Happiness, and Needed This. And then we have a little cup of tea or coffee on a dotted card, and Better Than Yesterday on the back. So there are the gorgeous 3x4 cards. Then we have some amazing puffy stickers. I'm going to do this to get rid of the glare, but this is also my kit preparation. So what I will do is I will staple this to the backing card because I'm lazy and I want access to the stickers without taking them out of the packaging. So we have some gorgeous stickers here: Perfectly Imperfect, Truly Madly Deeply, Forever, Today Was, Love. So we have sort of got a love theme, but not too over the top Valentine's. I'll definitely use these with my kids. Then, oh, I'm in love. These, I'm not sure if you remember, we did get this style of puffy stickers a couple of kits ago in a different colour blue. But these are absolutely gorgeous. They are the perfect size for On Your Project Life, and I would have these in every single colour. So we've got a couple of blues, maybe some pink next, maybe some yellow. Oh, grey would be nice as well. Trina, all the colours please. Just do one per month. Just keep the letters the same. I'm happy. I'm happy. So we've got those. Then we have some phrase stickers, which again, I'm going to take straight out of the packaging. And for these, I'm going to get rid of the backboard as well because there's no real place to staple. But we have all sorts of different word stickers. Things like I'm not perfect, I like expensive things, coffee helps, liking that. Then we have some generic ones: Everyday Ordinary, Life Happens, Loving, Out and About. Loads and loads of different phrases for lots of different things. And then we've got some gorgeous labels on the bottom for a quick dig out and stick. And then nearly last but not least, no, nearly last, sorry, we have the stamps. So again, I tend to take these out of the packaging. I'll keep them on it so you can see. But we have Collecting Moments. Excuse me, the light's shining off it as well, isn't it? So we have Collecting Moments, About This Photo, My True North. We have a couple of stripe and a solid block so that you can use two-tone colours on these. And then we have Snapshot, Just So, Caught on Film, Mega Awesome, Be You. So we've got some lovely sayings there. And then, this is now the last but not least, we have the die cuts pack. Now, I know this takes a bit of time, but I do like to go and show you just the amount of die cuts that we do get. But we have some tags: Today Feels Like, I'm Needing More of This, little circles that say good. We have some gorgeous florals. Look, see, look. Just give me all those colours and I could probably scrap for ages. Might not work for my boy, but it definitely worked for my girls. We have Optimist. Definitely Top 10. Mind Over Matter. Boy Mum. Could use the boy, not the mum. only because that's the American spelling, but I can make it work. We've got This Is Me, Not So Much. So we've got loads of word strips, gorgeous florals, Weekend Vibes, and then This Happened, On an Adventure. Get loads of labels, A Little Free Time, Seriously, Feels Like This, Captured. Oh, it's upside down, but you get it. We've got florals, Free Time, Sorry Not Sorry, Unstoppable, more labels, Chaotic and Messy, Quiet Time, My Love Language. I mean, these just keep on giving. So we've got more labels. The Struggle Is Real, On the Run, Let's Go, Loving, Love This Life, label, Flowers, Goals, Real Life. And they're all, there's a few bigger pieces, but they're all nice and small, which is wonderful. So we've got Best Of, Weekend Adventures, Like, Fantastic, Wait What, This Sucks, and labels. We've got Things for Good Days, Things for Bad Days, Not Today, Moments Like This, Bad, Flowers, My Love, Feels, Love Story. It's all fun and games until somebody loses, until the coffee runs out, until the kids wake up. I'm sure there'll be a few things for that. We've got some more labels and tags. We've got Love This. We've got some little hearts. Aren't they cute? Family. Looks Like This. More hearts. More labels. Label up every photo for a month and still have more. We've got Girl Mum. Label. Oh, we've even got stars. So we've got stars and hearts in this one. Tabs. Dog Walk. More stars. Let's see if I can. She's got more stars there. We've got Hardcore. Right Now. More flowers and stars and hearts. All the little embellishments as well as the bigger ones. We've got Little Birdie. He's cute. We have Amaze Balls, Pessimist, and lastly a little heart. So as you can imagine, absolutely loads that will keep you going once you get it all out of this tiny little packaging. And it does go back, because once I've used it, I do end up getting it to go back. But yeah, I hope you'll join me and see me get some spreads done with this gorgeous kit. Now it has arrived. I think Trina was more upset with the delay it was than I was, but that's only because I've got loads of awesome goodies to keep me going. And people always post on the Facebook group giving us ideas as well, so that we can let our excitement grow. But once it did start moving from the States, it was here super quick in the UK. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.